Loser.
You think you're a pretty big loser. Nobody's your girlfriend. I bet you want to cry. Inside, deep down, you're hurt. But wait, there is a shirt to show them all that you are one cool guy. One cool guy. 3 Wolf Moon is a t-shirt with powers to help you land a smoking hot dame. But know that it is not an average t-shirt. It has a life, has a spirit, has a name. Some people don't believe the ancient folklore. Wear it for weeks on end and it stays clean. Supermodels clamor at your doorstep, and you can yield its awesome powers for $9.14. Have you ever worn a t-shirt with a 3 wolf moon, or let the spirits feed you fake crab meat? Do you think you can check out before they sell out? With this shirt, you know your life is pretty sweet. Face the facts, you know the shirt is pretty sweet. 100% cotton and hand-dyed. Don't spill Tuscan whole milk, please believe. Its magic can heal wounds and raise the dead. If only there were more wolves on the sleeves. The benefits are not exaggerated. Top purchase in apparel, it's the best. All girls will wish you were the one they dated. You'll learn fantastic things on a vision quest. How high will the spirits' guides fly? Accept their blessings and never ask why. Or you'll never wear a t-shirt with a 3 wolf moon, or get reviews on Amazon or tweets. Glow in the dark would be real neat, so join the brotherhood of the lupine elite. If something's cool, how opportune, you could say it's 3